Hello dear L1 English language students. This video is an introduction to grammar course presented by me, your teacher, Dr. Fatma Zahra Moussassi, Faculty of Foreign Languages, Department of English Language, University of Iran 2, Mohammed bin Hamid. Welcome to our class. I'm very excited to guide you step by step through this course. My goal is to make grammar simple. I will provide clear lessons, helpful exercises, and regular feedback so you can learn to write English correct sentences with total confidence. Please do not hesitate to reach out through my student email, musassasifz@gmail.com. The course is about grammar. So what grammar is? Grammar, as identified by David Gressel 2003, page 39, as the structural foundation of our ability to express ourselves, which means that grammar is simply successful self-explanation. Through this video, we are going to see the course requirements, what you will learn, your learning journey, how each unit works, course study resources, and finally, how you are graded. To start with course requirements, here we are. Course requirements means the prerequisites, and the prerequisites are first, basic English, which means that you should have basic English skills B1 to B2 levels. You need to be comfortable reading simple text and writing short sentences. Second, internet and computer. You need access to a computer or smartphone with internet. You will need this to read the slides and take your weekly online quizzes. Third and final prerequisite is the study habits. Success comes from practicing regularly. Try to study the notes, complete the homework, and ask questions when you don't understand. What you will learn in this course, which means the objectives. First, and identify parts of speech, which means learn how to support and use nouns, verbs, adjectives, prepositions, and adverbs. Second, use tenses correctly. Most of the past, present, and future tenses so your writing is clear. Third, fix common mistakes, which means find and fix normal grammar errors like random sentences or incomplete ideas. Fourth, understand sentence types. Learn the differences between simple, compound, and complex sentences. Fifth, write clear sentences. Apply simple grammar rules to write complete sentences in your academic work. Sixth and final one is to improve your writing style. Mix short and long sentences to make your paragraphs and essays interesting to read. Your learning journey, which is the program of this course. So the first unit is an introduction, when you have the welcome word, sample rules, and course goals. The second unit is about sentence structure, how to build simple and strong clauses. The third course is about sentences types, how to write compound and complex idea. The fourth unit is part of speech, how nouns, verbs, and words work together. Unit 5, English tenses, using time correctly, past, present, and future. And the last course will be kind of review and practice. Well, you will have a kind of revision for your final exam. How each unit works, how the course is built. First, you have to learn, read the introduction, watch the short video explanation, and read sample written course notes. Second, observe. Look at real, easy to understand example sentences to see how grammar rules work in everyday texts. Third and final step, you have to apply. So complete simple practice exercises, then take a short online quiz to check what you learned or you have learned. Course study resources. What you will find on the course is first a video lesson, which is short, friendly video explaining one small grammar topic at a time. Second, easy PDF notes, simple summaries with visual charts that you can download or print. Third, practice sheets, quick homework exercises to try out rules on your own. And you will also find an online forum, a safe chat room to ask me or your classmates questions anytime. Concerning the assessment, how you will be or you are graded. First, you have a weekly work of 50% of the grade, which is weekly online quizzes, short homework sheets, speaking in class, and active attendance. And 50% is the final exam, a written test at the end of the semester to see how much you have improved. So your final grade is split equally between your regular weekly efforts and the end of the term tests. Here we are, let's get started.